right? Okay, so this is what the 2021 planner looks like.
This is so cute.
And then here we have the expense tracker and the budget tracker. We have the habit tracker, and then we have the monthly checkup.
I need to order this. I really like it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Priyanka. So finally I have received my Simba Lifestyle Planner. Oh my god, I can't even begin to tell you guys. I placed my order on 27th of November. आज डिलीवर हुआ है 28th of December. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले लिया डिलीवर होने में. मेरी मम्मी डिलीवरी मैन को भी बोलती थी बहुत टाइम हो गया, एंड उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला, वो चले गए. बट हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. इट हैज़ कम, इट हैज़ अराइव्ड. आई हैव डन अ डिटेल्ड फ्लिप थ्रू. आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल हो गया, थोड़ा सा लंबा भी. आई डोंट नो, आई ट्राई टू कट इट शॉर्ट. Oh, and if you have no clue what Simba Lifestyle is, it is an Instagram store which is owned by a YouTuber, Mridul Sharma, and Aditya Naik, her friend. They basically have, you know, cute stationery. They have trunks. They have a 5-year journal. They have loads of things. So I'll make sure to link their Instagram in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Talking about the planner, it retails for 800 rupees. So people who are not into planners and who are thinking like 800 रुपए का planner, planners are expensive guys, and I would just ask you to not judge anyone's expense. Like I would not want you guys to judge कि कौन अपने पैसे कहाँ spend कर रहा है. I don't know, like it's just a humble request. बाकी जब प्लानर आया, आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग. इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुली, यू नो, बबल रैप्ड. 2 लेयर थी बबल रैप की, तो बहुत सेफली पैक्ड था. और आई थिंक जो एड्रेस भी है पैकेज पे, वो मृदुल ने ही लिखा है. साउंड लाइक ये आई एम गोइंग टू कीप इट फॉर एवर. उसके अंदर एक थैंक यू कार्ड भी है विच आई विल शो यू इन द वीडियो. This is the cover page of the planner. If you have no clue what this is, it is a caravan. It's basically car that is used in deserts and all to travel. So you can see the theme of this planner is travel within, because according to Mridul, and I think according to me also, we all have missed traveling in the last year. So she has incorporated a lot of travel elements into the planner, which is very exciting. Now here you can see there is this pen which has a stylus at the back. Let me just pull it out. This has a pen loop right here. This is the pen, and this is her classic Simba Lifestyle pen. I guess that's what she calls it. And this has a stylus at the back, and oh my god, this stylus is very smooth. Let me just show you. I was having so much fun. I'm going to show you. Now talking about the look of the planner, like I am not very happy with this spiral bound, because it is a little difficult to, you know, just like if you just want to go like this, like it's sort of like, I don't know, ye adta hai, I don't know what you call it in English. See, now it's not closing. So that's the thing. This is something that I got to notice, you know, through Meghna's interview, and even I noticed it, and I was like, I'm not really a big fan of this spiral bound. Piche planner ke there is something written, which makes a lot of sense. So we have that. So once you open the planner, they give you 4 sticker sheets right here. So I have all of them right here. You can see there is a pocket right here in which I have kept the thank you card, on which Mridul has signed. So that is really very cute. Now let's just talk about the sticker sheets. I love the first 2, and if you have not noticed the watercolor work that she has done in the monthly spread, like weekly spread, she has done it here also. Let me show you. You have 14 stickers for to do, remember, gratitude, urgent, and then holiday ke liye bhi there are 14 to buy also. Then you have weekend, birthday, party, big day, 7 stickers, which is kind of okay. Like I get the sense why are they 7 in here, because obviously these events are not that much. Now then we have these 2 sticker sheets which she has told to use on your laptop or on your phone case. Now I don't really I'm not really sure where am I going to use these stickers. I'm not really sure. Not on my my laptop or on my mobile for sure. I don't know why. I'm just not like that. My favorite has to be this one, charger wala, because my charge is ऑलवेज लो. अभी भी मैं फोन से रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, इट्स लो. आई थिंक दैट इसको ना प्लानर के अंदर होना चाहिए था, लाइक एज अ पेज. दीज आर लूज, तो इसको मैं अपने प्लानर में ऐसे ही रख देती हूँ. इट इज लूज, राइट? आई डोंट लाइक दैट. आई वुड हैव लाइक्ड इट अगर मैं या तो पॉकेट में रख सकती, बट पॉकेट छोटी है तो आई कांट इवन पुट इट इन द पॉकेट. I do like that she has given these stickers for the laptop and phone covers, but I would have appreciated if we would have had stickers or illustrations that we could have used in our planners. That would have been great. So I think wo ho jaye next year se, so that would be really nice. The same pocket is at the back as well. Let me show you. Then there is a bookmark also which says Simba Lifestyle. Okay, so let's just now quickly get through the planner. So I really like the first page. It's very colorful and I love it. Then it has a very nice quote right here. Here you have to put your name or whatever you want to jot down. You can just write it down here. We have design credits right here, and there is a note by Mridul and Aditya. So here is the vision board. Now I am so excited for this page. I've literally bought myself, like मैंने पहले से निकाल के रख लिया printouts that I want to stick in here. Vision board is a great way to accomplish, like it's a thing that if I paste these here, I know, like I have a goal that okay, I need to look like that in the next, like at the end of this year. So that's what vision board is. I hope I was great at explaining that. New feature of this planner is that they have the monthly dividers, which is a great thing. Moving on to next page, here we have the goals section. You can see there are different categories of goals that you want to have for the next year. Then coming on to the next page, this is a very interesting page. So you are, basically you're going to just write down everything that you want to start, quit, learn, try, visit, improve, avoid this year. And here is again a very nice section where you can literally divide your wants and your needs so that you are a little clear, like, what you actually need. Like it's never ending. Moving on to next page, it is a very interesting page again. It's my year in Polaroids. So in this you have to stick a very cute memory, like like the highlight of the month, I guess, in each of these Polaroid frames. We don't have a Polaroid, so I'm just going to get printouts to stick into these frames. Next we have 21 things to do before 2021 ends. So 21 चीजें जो आप करना चाहते हो साल के एंड से पहले यहाँ पे लिखनी है. I don't think I have 21 things to do. I think मेरे लिए 5-6, I think they are a lot. So yeah. Next, moving on to another page, we have year at a glance. So we have the calendars of all months right here. All of these calendars are color coordinated to the monthly spread that we have, which is love. And then January starts. We have the star of the show, that is the artwork. So this artwork is hand painted. So there is a different artwork for every month. The quote is different, and of course the color is different. So the artwork is printed on, I guess, photo paper, like it's a thick paper. बाकी सारे normal pages है, like the printing sheets that you have. और ये वाला थोड़ा मोटा है. So what Mridul has told is that you can actually use this artwork as a decor piece. Like at the end of the year, you can tear this page out. You can frame it, or you can use it as a postcard. So she has made this a postcard as well, which is so genius. Like it is genius. I really like that idea. And then we have a letter to yourself. You're basically supposed to write down whatever you want to related to your health, work, life. Then moving on, we have month at a glance. So in these boxes you can just briefly jot down anything, like if there is any event, if there is an appointment, if someone's birthday, you can just write it down very briefly in these boxes. Then we have the notes section right here, which I kind of am not like very impressed with, because this is very narrow. So इसमें भी अगर आपको कुछ लिखना है तो it has to be very brief. And then the weekly spread starts. I love the brushwork that she has done. A lot of people say, and I do agree with it, is that जो weekly spread है उसके अंदर यहाँ पे वो days नहीं लिखे, like Monday, Tuesday, जो भी the days are not written, only numbers are written, like the dates are written, which is sort of a bummer, I think. वो भी ऐड हो जाता तो अच्छा होता. तो ये जो ब्रश स्ट्रोक है, दिस इज ऑरेंज इन कलर, सो इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दी जनवरी मंथ का कलर जो इन्होंने यहाँ पे यूज किया है, एंड दैट इज द सेम थिंग विद ऑल द मंथ्स. सो इन दिस वीकली स्प्रेड यू कैन basically write down anything that you want to. It can be your to-do list. You can write, how your day went, like how you write diary at the end of the day, or you can just basically write down anything that you want. And again, end में notes वाला section भी है. And next, moving on, we have the expense tracker and the monthly budget. I think this is so important. Like, this just makes us conscious of, our expenses and where our money is going, and how much money we should save, like how much we are supposed to spend. I think these two sections are great. And then we have habit tracker and monthly checkup. So there are 6 habit trackers in here, which is again great. And then we have the monthly checkup section, which basically asks you couple of questions just to review your month and see how much you have progressed and what changes you can do. And then February starts. So for February, there is this baby pink color, which I really like. There is a different quote and another artwork, which is my personal favorite. I think I love anything green, and this is that. I love this artwork. So now I'm just going to show you, all the artworks and the themes for every month. This is March. Then we have April. This I know, this is Paris. Then we have May. I also know this one because Mridul did, tell this in her video. Like, this is Patrika Gate. And I like this one as well. This is again very nice. I have June. Again, this one is one of my favorites. So जैसे ही June खत्म होता है, we have 2 new pages, memory collection and mid-year goals. So in memory collection, you have to, just write down your memories from the past months. And in the mid-year goals, I again like this section because हो सकता है, after 6 months हमारे पास नए goals हैं and we want to achieve that. तो हम वो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. हमारे goals बदल गए हो तो, you can just write it down. Next, we have July, August, September, October, November, and the last month, that is December. So as the theme of this planner is travel, Mridul has added a lot of travel pages at the end of December, the last month. So you have 6 travel sheets in which you can very beautifully plan your trips. Great section for everybody who loves traveling. Like कहाँ पे जाना है, कब जाना है, your flight details, क्या क्या लेके जाना है, कहाँ पे shopping करनी है. I think it's great. And then after the travel pages, we have again memory collection and 2021 in review. So again, you're supposed to write the memory of the rest of the months, and in this you just have to ask yourself a couple of questions again just to see how your year went. And then end May, you have notes ke pages, so you can just jot down whatever you want to jot down here. So you have 5 pages for notes, and yeah, our planner ends right there. I think compared to the other planners, I did see, a whole comparison of the planners being done, and I was like, this planner is actually great. And I think compared to the other planners, this is very vibrant and cute. I think I really like it. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and wish you a very happy new year. I don't know ये video कब जा रही है, but I think this is probably my last video of the year. So wish you all a very happy new year, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.